Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Turn on the Sony XM5 headphones and confirm the battery is above 30% before pairing to avoid interruptions. On your iPhone Open settings, tap Bluetooth and keep the Bluetooth screen active while you pair to prevent auto-sleep. If the XM5 were paired previously, reset the pairing list by holding the power button for 7 seconds until you hear the voice guide say Bluetooth pairing. Keep the headphones within 3 feet of the iPhone and remove any other active Bluetooth audio sources before proceeding to pairing. Press and hold the XM5 power button for 7 seconds until the indicator flashes blue and the voice guide says Bluetooth pairing. This enters pairing mode. On your iPhone's Bluetooth menu, find WH1000XM5 or Sony WH1000XM5 and tap the device name to connect. The iPhone will display connected when pairing completes. If the iPhone prompts for confirmation, tap Pair. Allow Bluetooth permissions or notifications if prompted so the app features and battery percentage display correctly. Test audio by playing a short clip at moderate volume. Install the Sony Headphones Connect app to update firmware and select AAC or LDAC codec settings. Firmware fixes many connectivity bugs. The XM5 supports multipoint with 2 active connections, so connect your iPhone plus one other device and prioritize calls on the active source. If pairing fails, restart both the iPhone and the headphones, then forget the WH1000XM5 entry in iPhone Bluetooth and retry pairing. For persistent issues, reset the headphones to factory settings via the app or by holding the power and custom buttons together for 7 seconds.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.